in giving information,
Daldal
unlike
si Digong eh.
other resource persons during the time. So I am looking forward that if the former president will be on board as part of the defense team, we will have a more meaningful trial kasama ang ating pong dating presidente.
So better ma'am na nandun siya, na part siya ng defense?
For me, that's okay, but of course, it is all up to the vice president if she would like to have the former president become part of the defense team.
Oh, ginisa ni Jervil Ruistro yan eh. Si Digong, ginisa niya yan ng malala. Oo, ginisa niya sa sariling mantika. Hindi na nga nakasagot si Digong sa kanya sa huli. Sabi ni Digong, if you say so. Nung ginisa siya ni Congressman Luistro, o di daming sinagot, daming sinabi, etc. etc. Ang ending, dahil naipit na si Digong, if you say so.